Hello viewers, another air raid siren of Los Angeles. This will be Siren 199, flattened birdhouse. It's Gomera's Road right here and Ventura Boulevard in Woodland Hills, California. Another flattened birdhouse. Let me show you a map. I'm there, and these are the other ones I've been to. This one is really deteriorated, paint up on the, all peeled away. And the electric is right there, and it's cut off. Right, there you go. Another flattened birdhouse. No electric. Siren 199, Woodland Hills, California. There you go. Another air raid siren of Los Angeles. Another flattened birdhouse. All right. Thanks for watching.